Hey y'all, it's Kat from Kat Southern Charms, and I'm just gonna do a little short video to tell you what we're doing now. I am testing Resin, Diction, and Teexpert. I poured 2 of each brand. I didn't put any additives in it, and I will bubble sit them like I normally would. And then I'm going to put one set in a box and put up in a closet so it's in a cool, dark place that does not have any exposure to light. And the other set, I am going to leave sitting in an area of my house that gets a lot of sun off our Rocky Mountains. And I want to check them. And we're going to check for bubbles. We're going to check for yellowing, because I know some of these have reformulated their products to include more UV protection in them. And the tests that I've seen, they're quite a bit old. So I think those tests were done prior to the new formulas. So I wanted to do a new test and see how they stack up, how hard they get, how well they cure. I didn't do anything different. I mixed up 8 ounces of each brand, put 4 and 4 in a coaster, so they all have the same amount. Everything is the same. And I'm using my handy dandy alcohol spritzer to take care of any bubbles. But I'll let you know when they're cured. We'll take a look at them tomorrow when they're done, and I pack them away or put them in to sunbathe, one of the two. But that's what we're up to. What do you think? Which brand do you think will be the best for not yellowing? Which do you think is going to be the best for bubbles? Let's make our predictions now and see if we're right. So comment below, tell me, which do you think is going to have the least amount of yellowing, and which do you think is going to be the one with the least amount of bubbles? Okay, I'll see y'all tomorrow when we unmold these. Ta-ta for now. Happy arting. Remember, subscribe, like, and share so you never miss a new video, because we have some good ones coming up. See y'all then. Hey y'all, I am Kat from Kat's Southern Charms. We are back. Everything is cured up. This is day 1. We are doing a test on Resin, Diction, and Teexpert, because I know some of these have reformulated their resins to include more prevention for yellowing, better for bubbles. But let's take a look what we have for day 1. Let's start left to right. We have Resin, super clear, y'all. No bubbles. Pretty awesome. You're gonna hear one of my huskies. We have no yellowing. It is clear. Then we have Diction. Again, very clear. No bubbles. And no yellowing. Super clear. Alright, and then last we have Teexpert. Very clear. I think I saw one tiny little bubble right there. But, yeah, right there. But that has some bubbles in there. But no yellowing. And you can see clear on the sides, no yellowing. These 3 that I just took out are gonna go in a box, be packed away from any light source. These are the twins. They're gonna be exposed to sun. So let me get it packed up, and we'll come back at day 3 and at day 7 and do the same little look-see and see if there's any changes. Remember, put your predictions down in comments. Which one do you think is going to do best with not yellowing? Which do you think is going to do best without bubbles? If you think both of those are the same, tell me what your prediction is. But we'll see y'all on day 3 to continue our fun test with these 3 affordable resins and see how they measure up. Until then, happy arting. Ta-ta for now.